Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayu. Yesterday on 14th November 2021 on Sunday, FPSC Federal Public Service Commission conducted a very important written test for the post of statistical officer. That was a very important technical question. Today I will discuss numerical as well as theoretical questions of that paper with you candidates. Before starting today's important, vital and essential lecture, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel and click the bell icon for the notifications of the next important videos. Let's start. Question number 1 of yesterday's FPSC statistical officer paper. Non-numerical variable: A qualitative, B quantitative, C both A and B, D none of these. Dear students, whenever we have non-numerical data, it is qualitative variable. A is the correct option. Question number 2, graph of the time series is called, and that question is discussed in many lectures. Graph of the time series is called histogram. And one more concept I want to discuss with you: the graph of the frequency distribution is histogram. These two questions are very important for every written test of statistics. Question number 3, the minimum value of the variance can be A -1, B +1, C is 0. Dear students, variance can never ever be negative. It can never be possible. The minimum value will be 0 if all the values are same in the data. For example, you have 5 observations and all are same, all are equal to 5, then the variance will be equal to 0. Standard deviation will also be equal to 0. But the minimum value can be 0. It can never ever be negative for the variance. It is positive and 0, at least 0. 0 is the correct option. Question number 4, the sum of deviations of the values from their mean is: option A is 0, B is 1, C is minimum, D none of these. Dear students, whenever we take sum of the values from their mean, it is always equal to 0. 0 is the correct option. And that will be 45 minus 42, that will be 3. And if the actual value is 45 but the observed value estimated is 42, then 42 minus 45, that will be -3. It means bias of an estimator can be positive as well as can be negative. Both will be the correct option, both positive or negative actually. Next question is very important. Find the variance of 2x plus 3. We know when we take the constant outside which is multiplying with the variable, it will be square. 4 variance of x, and that is 0. 4 variance of x was the correct option in the exam. Next question is, measure of dispersion remains unchanged by change of origin, B change of scale, both A and B, D none of these. Dear students, all the measures of dispersions, range, standard deviation, variance, quartile deviations, interquartile range and mean deviation, they are independent of, they all are independent of change of origin. When you add or subtract a constant value from all the values of x, they remain unchanged, but they are affected by the change of scale. It means change of origin is the correct option. Next question is, mean deviation, standard deviation and variance of the data is given 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. There are 5 observations, all are equal to 4. Then what is the value of mean deviation, standard deviation and variance? They all are equal to 0. 0 is the correct option. As I discussed, when all the values are same, then mean deviation is 0, S is also 0, variance is 0. And one more point I want to discuss: these are the basic concepts of statistics. When all the values are same, then arithmetic mean is equal to geometric mean is equal to harmonic mean. That concept can also be asked in every written test of statistics. Next question is, The maximum, very important, the maximum likelihood estimators are necessarily A unbiased, B consistent, C efficient, D none of these. Dear students, the maximum likelihood estimators must be unbiased. Unbiased is the correct option in the exam. Discuss the sum of the square of the deviations of the values from their mean, it is minimum. There are three concepts I want to share it with you. The third one is the sum of the absolute deviation from the median, that is minimum. That is the third concept. Next question is the correlation coefficient between the two variables is a very important question. A fixed, B random, C mixed, D none of these. Dear students, the correlation coefficient R, it is random. Random is the correct option. Next question, what will be the range for the values? The values are given in the exam: -2, -10, -4, -3. We know the range formula is maximum value minus minimum value. Which is the maximum one? -2 is the largest value actually, minus the smallest. -10 is the smallest one. -2 plus 10, 8 was the correct option in the exam. A very important one. Next question is find the median for the following: 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8. Its median is 4. Next question is degree of freedom of 2 cross 2. There are 2 rows and 2 columns actually in the contingency table, and we know the formula of the degree of freedom. It is r minus 1 into c minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 was the correct option in the exam. A very important question for all the written test of statistics. Next question is numerical question. Mean is given, that is 14. Standard deviation is given, that is 5. The coefficient of variation, we know the formula: S over X bar multiplied by 100%. It means 5 over 14 multiplied by 100%, and the correct option was 35.71%. A very important. Next question is also very technical, very important. Bias of an estimator can be A positive, B negative, C positive or negative. Dear students, when the estimated value is more than the actual value, then we have positive value of bias, and if the estimated value is less than the actual value, then the bias can be negative. For example, the actual value is 42, but the estimated value is 45. Now I will take the difference. Next question is if regression line y is equal to a plus bx passes through the origin, when it passes through the origin, then dash is 0. The option is A, slope is 0, B, intercept is 0, both slope is positive, D, none of these. Dear students, when a regression line passes through the origin, then please keep in mind alpha is always equal to 0. Intercept, the value of the dependent variable when there is no independent variable, that is always 0 when the regression line passes through the origin. Next question is time reversal test is satisfied by A, Fisher ideal index number, B, Laspier's, C, Pastier's, D, none of these. And I have discussed with you, time reversal test is always satisfied by number 1 is Fisher, number 2 is Marshall, but Marshall's option was not given. It means Fisher is the correct option, but that should also be in your mind. And factor reversal test is not satisfied by Marshall, and factor reversal test is also satisfied by Fisher's ideal index number. Next question is also very important from the probability. If A is the subset of B, all the elements of A are in the B, and B is also the subset of A, all the elements of B are the subset of A, then What is the relationship between probability of A and probability of B? Dear students, when these two sets have same values, it means probability of A is equal to probability of B, not greater than, not less than. When A is a subset of B, all the elements of A are the elements of B, and B is a subset of A means all the elements of B are the elements of A. It means probability of A is always equal to probability of B. A very important concept. Next question is, the best method for finding out the seasonal variations is. There are four methods we know: link relative method, moving average method, annual average method, and the best one is ratio to moving average method. That is the correct option. Next question is very important. Non-sampling error can be reduced by, we know sampling error is reduced by increasing the sample size, but the non-sampling error can be reduced by reducing the amount of data. What is the correct option? Reducing the amount of data. Next question is, a fair coin is tossed 50 times. A fair coin is tossed 50 times. A fair coin is tossed 50 times. The number of expected heads occurring is. Option A is 20, B 23, C 25, D none of these. We know the probability of head is 1 by 2 and there are 25. There can be 25 number of heads. 25 will be the correct option in the exam. A very important question. Next is a very important from inference. A failing student is passed. A student who was about to be failed but he was passed by an examiner. It is an example of which type of error? A, type 1 error, B, type 2 error, C, no error. It is type 2 error. When you select the wrong thing, that is actually type 2 error. Type 2 is the correct option. Next question is range of the partial correlation coefficient. We know for partial correlation coefficient the range is -1 to +1. For simple correlation coefficient R, it is -1 to +1. For multiple correlation coefficient, that is from 0 to +1, and for the regression coefficient B, it is -infinity to +infinity. These all concepts must be learnt by every student of statistics. Next is the mean of a distribution is 23. Mean is given, that is 23. Median is given, that is 24, and mode is also given, that is 25.5. And the question is the shape of that distribution: A, positively skewed, B, negatively skewed, C, no skewness. Dear students, whenever mean is less than median, less than mode, it is negatively skewed distribution. Negatively skewed will be the correct option in the exam. Next is when in a frequency distribution the maximum frequency occur at one end, then the frequency curve of such distribution is A, moderately skewed, B, no skewness, C, J-shaped. Actually that is J-shaped. Next question is census reports used as a source of data is A, primary data, B, secondary data, C, qualitative data. Census reports are used as a secondary data. B is the correct option. Next question, data collected by NADRA to issue computerized identity cards are dash data. Primary data, secondary data, qualitative data, both. It is primary data for NADRA. When we give the documents for the verification or for the computerized ID cards, it is primary data. Next important, very important question. It is also asked in many papers. In the last paper, I think I have discussed that question. Consumer price index number is also known as Laspier's index number, Pasteur's index number, cost of living index. It is also called cost of living index is the correct option, C. Next question, gender is an example of A, nominal, B, ordinal, C, ratio. It is nominal. Male, female categories for distinguishing the people, it is nominal. Next, the best average for constructing an index number is A, arithmetic mean, B, geometric mean, C, harmonic mean, D, median. We know for index number, geometric mean is the most suitable average. Next question, the index number measures the change from month to month in the cost of a representative basket of goods and services of the type bought by a typical household. A. Lespin's index number, B. Pasteur's price index number is the correct option. Next question is, Fisher's ideal index number is also obtained by A. There are options. The correct option is by finding the geometric mean of Lespier and Pasteur's. That is the correct option. Next question is also very important. The standard deviation of the sampling distribution of a statistic is called A. Bayes, B. standard error. It is standard error. That is the definition of standard error. The sampling distribution of the standard deviation is called, the standard deviation of the sampling distribution of the statistic is called standard error. Next question, the difference between the parameter and statistic x bar minus mu, that is sampling error. Sampling error is the correct option. Next question, the variance of 5 numbers. There are 5 numbers and the variance is given, that is 10. If each number is subtracted by 2, if we subtract 2 from every number, then the variance of the new data, we know for plus or minus variance is unchanged. It means variance will remain 10. 10 was the correct option in the exam. Next question is, variance and standard deviation change by change in A. origin, B. scale, C. both origin and scale. As I told you, when multiply and divide is done, then they are changed. B is the correct option, change of scale. Next question is, which is the best measure of dispersion? A. range, B. quartile deviation, C. standard deviation. Standard deviation is considered the best one. Next question is the range of the multiple correlation coefficient, and I have discussed 0 to 1 is the correct option. Next is, if a distribution is abnormally tall and peaked, then what can leptokurtic, B. platykurtic, C. mesokurtic, D. pyrokurtic. Leptokurtic is the correct option. Next is, which of these represent qualitative data? A. height of a student, it is not qualitative, it is quantitative. B. liking or disliking of 1500 persons for a product, that is the correct one. Next question is, a coefficient of correlation is computed to be minus 0.95. R is computed and that is minus 0.95. It indicates that the relationship between two variables is weak, incorrect. The relationship between two variables is strong and positive, incorrect. The relationship is between two variables is strong, 0.95 shows strong relationship but negative, that is the correct option. Next question is, let the coefficient of determination computed to be 0.39. Coefficient of determination, not correlation coefficient, in a problem involving one independent variable and one dependent variable. This result means that A. the relationship between two variables is negative, incorrect. The correlation coefficient is also minus 0.39, incorrect. If coefficient determination is 0.39, it does not mean that correlation coefficient will also be 0.39. C. 39% of the total variation in the dependent variable has been explained by the independent variable. That is the correct option. That is actually the interpretation of the coefficient of determination. Next is, the probability that a leap year selected at random contains 53 Sundays is the correct option is 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is the correct option. Next question, a scatter diagram is considered for measuring A. linear relationship between two variables, B. curve linear relationship between two variables, C. neither A nor B, D. both A and B. That is the correct option, both A and B. Next question is, the number of road accidents is the example of A. variable, B. constant, C. discrete variable. Discrete variable, 10, 20, 25, 30. Number of chairs, number of books, these show discrete variable. Next question is, if x and y are independent to each other, then the coefficient of correlation is A minus 1, B plus 1, C 6, D 0. 0 is the correct option. Next question is, measure the change in quantity of goods are called A. simple index number, B. aggregative index number, C. quantity index number. Quantity index number is the correct option. Last question of that paper, a simple aggregative quantity index is used to A. measure the change in quantity of product, incorrect. B. measure the overall change in price of a range of products, that is the correct option. Assalamu alaikum.